Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Model Context Protocol, or MCP, servers tools that transform Claude and Cursor from simple code generators into powerful, web-savvy automation engines. Imagine your AI not just answering questions, but scraping competitor pricing, debugging by seeing what's happening in a browser, or processing hundreds of PDFs into Markdown all automatically. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential MCP servers, each with unique capabilities that break through the traditional limits of AI assistance. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about the future of AI, you'll discover how these servers can supercharge your workflow. Let's get started by understanding what MCP servers are and why they matter. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is a framework that lets AI clients, like Claude and Cursor, connect to external data sources and tools through standardized server interfaces. Think of MCP servers as specialized microservices. Each one exposes a set of tools your AI can call, maintains conversation context, and handles errors gracefully. Adding or removing a server is as simple as editing a JSON config file. This flexibility means your AI can suddenly access databases, scrape websites, or control browsers just by connecting to the right MCP server. The result? Seamless integration of powerful capabilities, all managed through a simple, customizable setup. Let's break down how MCP servers actually function. Each server publishes a set of callable tools. These could be as simple as fetching a file or as advanced as running a SQL query. To the AI, these tools look like structured APIs. MCP servers also maintain context across multiple tool uses, ensuring smooth, multi-step workflows. Error handling is built in, so your AI gets meaningful feedback if something goes wrong. Configuration is handled via JSON, making it easy to add or remove servers and customize permissions. This modular approach lets you build a tailored AI toolbox, unlocking new possibilities with just a few lines of configuration. First up is the Bright Data MCP server, the ultimate tool for giving your AI real-time web access. This server wraps Bright Data's offerings, exposing search, crawling, site navigation, and browser automation through a single interface. It handles the tough stuff like bot detection, CAPTCHAs, geo-restrictions, and JavaScript-heavy sites. With Bright Data MCP, your AI can reliably extract data from the web, automate browser tasks, and even bypass regional restrictions. Developers love it for building data pipelines, market research automation, and competitive intelligence tools. Plus, there's a generous free tier for getting started. Bright Data MCP offers over 60 specialized tools, including social media and e-commerce scraping, geo-restriction bypass, JavaScript rendering, and browser control. You can start with basic tools for search and scraping, or enable Pro mode for advanced automation and extraction. The server supports both remote and local setups, with easy configuration via API tokens. Use cases range from market research and real-time data collection to content aggregation and competitive analysis. With 5,000 free tool calls per month, it's a robust solution for anyone needing reliable, scalable web data extraction. Next is the Chrome DevTools MCP server, which gives your AI agent real browser vision. This server connects to a running Chrome instance, allowing the AI to inspect the DOM, step through console logs, watch network requests, and automate browser interactions. It's a game changer for debugging and testing, letting your AI see and interact with live web pages. No more coding in the dark now. Your AI can verify code changes, analyze performance, and fix visual bugs based on real browser data. Perfect for web developers and performance optimization teams. The Chrome DevTools MCP server provides 26 tools for input automation, navigation, device emulation, performance tracing, network monitoring, and debugging. It uses Puppeteer for reliable automation, handling waits and interactions seamlessly. With this server, your AI can fill forms, click buttons, navigate pages, and even emulate different devices. Advanced features include performance trace recording, network request analysis, and live DOM divided by CSS inspection. Whether you're fixing layout issues or optimizing load times, this server brings powerful browser automation and debugging right into your AI's workflow. The MarkItDown MCP server is your universal document to Markdown converter. It wraps Microsoft's MarkItDown engine, exposing a single function, convert to Markdown. Just provide a file, URL, or data string, and it converts the content into clean, structured Markdown. This is invaluable for processing Word docs, PDFs, PowerPoints, images, audio, and more. Instead of patching together different parsers, you get a reliable pipeline that unlocks legacy documents for AI analysis. It supports multiple server modes, including STD, I/O, HTTP, SSE, and Docker, making integration easy for any workflow. MarkItDown MCP shines in scenarios like documentation, migration, content analysis, meeting notes, processing, and research paper analysis. Need to convert a folder of Word docs for a new developer portal or extract and analyze data from quarterly report PDFs? This server makes it effortless. It's also perfect for transforming mixed media content, like PowerPoint presentations and audio recordings, into searchable, analyzable Markdown. Technical writers, researchers, and developers building document processing pipelines will find this tool indispensable for modernizing and unlocking valuable data. Context7 MCP Server, built by Upstash, gives your AI agent access to always up-to-date, version-specific documentation pulled straight from official sources. It's not just static docs. Context7 includes working code examples, formatted for easy AI consumption. This solves a major problem. Most LLMs are stuck with outdated docs from their training data. With Context7, your AI can fetch the exact documentation for the library and version you're using, eliminating hallucinated APIs and broken code. It supports over 20 clients, making it one of the most versatile MCP servers available. Using Context7 is simple. Just add it to your MCP configuration, and your AI can fetch up-to-date documentation and code snippets on demand. It provides two main tools, one for resolving library IDs and another for retrieving documentation with optional topic filtering. This means you can get accurate, current information for any library, even those released after your AI's training cutoff. Whether you're adopting new libraries, upgrading frameworks, or working with niche packages, Context7 ensures your AI always has the right information to generate working code on the first try. The Sequential Thinking MCP server, built by Anthropic, introduces structured, step-by-step reasoning to your AI agent. Instead of rushing to the first plausible answer, this server encourages the AI to break problems down, revisit earlier steps, and maintain context across multiple stages. It's like giving your AI a framework for deliberate, human-like problem-solving. The server supports dynamic revision, alternative reasoning paths, adaptive planning, and hypothesis generation. This makes it ideal for tackling complex problems where a single-shot answer just won't cut it. Sequential Thinking MCP is perfect for system architecture design, complex debugging, strategic planning, code refactoring, and research analysis. For example, when designing a microservices architecture, the AI can break the task into infrastructure, service boundaries, data flow, and more, revising each step as new information emerges. For debugging, it systematically identifies symptoms, forms hypotheses, tests solutions, and refines its approach. This server is a must-have for senior developers, technical leads, and anyone facing multifaceted challenges that require organized, multi-step reasoning. With so many powerful options, how do you choose the right MCP server for your needs? Bright Data MCP is best for web scraping and browser automation. Chrome DevTools MCP excels at live debugging and browser control. MarkItDown MCP is your go-to for document conversion. Context7 MCP ensures up-to-date documentation and code examples. Sequential Thinking MCP brings structured reasoning to complex problems. The best part? You can stack these servers, combining their strengths for even more advanced workflows. Start with the one that matches your immediate need, and expand as your projects grow. As the MCP ecosystem grows, experimenting with these servers now puts you ahead in building next-generation AI-powered applications. Start small, pick one server that fits your current workflow, and don't get overwhelmed by the options. Remember, more servers mean more active tools, which can bloat your AI's context. 5 servers work well together, but too many can degrade performance. The developers who start exploring MCP servers today will shape the future of AI automation. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to give Claude and Cursor real superpowers with these essential MCP servers.